Hey guys, it is your future favorite girlfriend, ALOT, and my mic is not plugged in. Hey guys, it is your future favorite girlfriend, ALOT, and I have more trash.
Are you mad? If you are, I'm sorry.
Yes, I know it may seem like I just did a empties video, which I kind of, sort of, a little bit, kind of just did. But that was 2020. This is the first half of 2021. So the reason I'm doing it this way is because I saw how long that video was. That was entirely too long, too much trash for me to just be holding on to. So this is the first half of 2021 in my container. So you want to see my trash? Stick around. Okay, so the first product that I used up this year is the Main Choices anti-breakage and repair antidote hair mask from their ancient Egyptian line. I've had this for a really long time. Will I repurchase this? No. Why? Because I have other deep conditioners that are more ounces, that cost way less, and it really didn't do a lot for my hair. I had it for so long, so it wasn't like I was just rushing to use it and going back for it time after time. The only reason I even used it up is because I knew I had an empties video coming up, and so I just wanted to get it out of my stash. So I'm not repurchasing it. The next thing I have is my apple cider vinegar with the mother. Now this gets used for different things. I used it up when I do a clay mask on my face with the what is that, Aztec healing clay, I believe it is, with this and then some water. And then I also use it during my pre-poos because of my scalp. I diagnosed myself with scalp psoriasis, so during my pre-poo I put this and some hot water, and then I just go ahead with my regular pre-pooing method, and it has helped my scalp tremendously. So will I repurchase this? Absolutely. I've already repurchased it with in a bigger size at that. So yes. And do I recommend you to purchase it? Absolutely. Next thing is Texture ID Dry Hair Scalp Relief with Eucalyptus Exfoliating Shampoo Scalp Scrub. Will I repurchase this? Yes. Have I repurchased this? Absolutely. When Sally has their I think it's like 4 or 5 for $20. The last time I got 4 of these for $20, and the reason being is because it gives you a tingly scalp. I love it. It's really moisturizing. It's soft. I use this with, what do I use it? I use this with Kinky Curly's shampoo, in the green bottle, because it claims to be moisturizing, but it's not really moisturizing. It's really clarifying in my opinion. So after I use that, I follow up with this, which is more moisturizing than that, and I love it. It has great slip. It gives a tingly scalp. You see my check mark at the bottom because my mind is bad and I be having to remember if I like it or not. Okay, so do I recommend it for you? Yes. Next thing is the Kinky Curling Custard. This was my very first jar of this, and I have repurchased. I would recommend it to you if you like slimy kind of custardy gels. Let's see, it has a little bit in here. It's really slimy, and that's because I believe, does this have marshmallow root in it? Water, horsetail, no, yes, marshmallow. Just like their leave-in conditioner has marshmallow root in it, and I love it. You should try it. I've already repurchased. Oh, that's what I was saying. So this is my first time. Well, this was my first jar, all because I've been natural for 10 plus, well, almost 10 years.
Oh my God! Wow!
And like when I first did my big chop, this was expensive as hell to me, and
Reese's Pieces, pretzels, and a large popcorn.
A large? You got money. He got money. Get it off.
I wasn't paying that kind of money at that point in time. I mean, I got a little bit of whatever now, so I can kind of afford it, but that's big on kinda, okay? This is very expensive, so if you're willing to spend the money for it, go for it. It's good. The next product is the Main Choice Tropical Moringa Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Pearly Braid Out Glaze. Now the reason this top looks like this is because it's been through some things and I've had it for a very long time. I have a video using this for a wash and go. It lasts, it's sticky, icky, icky, ooh, ooh, just like my gelato. So would I recommend you to purchase this? Yes, if you like a sticky gel and you want something with hold, shine, this will do it. Next thing is the TGIN Honey Miracle. What am I speaking Spanish? The TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask. Per usual, love this. Recommend this. Will continue to purchase this. Okay. For me, with this product, the slip is there, meaning it glides through my hair with ease. It leaves my hair moisturized. I love it. You should get it. It does have silicones in it, but it's really good. It's really, really good. You should try it. Next products are the Just For Me Curl Piece with aloe vera, marshmallow root extract, and raw honey. Now, I have two of these because I literally use these every wash day. Every time I pre-poo my hair, or before I wash my hair, I pre-poo it, unless it's like on a Wednesday in the middle of the week, and I just do a little rinky-dinky whatever. I love these. So these are going to always be in my empties. They will forever be in my stash, and I will forever recommend them. And they're cheap. This was my first time trying Wetline, and I got this last year, I think. Yeah, I got this last year, and I really didn't use it all. Because I got a big tub for like $2, and I just squeezed all of this in the tube, so I didn't really use all of it. So would I recommend it? Yes, I did. I used it to lay my hair down today. I used it to lay my hair down for this style. So yes, I would recommend it. It will get your hair there. You got to be careful though, because a lot of things that I put it with, it flakes, so it don't play well with others. So just got to do the test on the back of your hand first before you put this in your head with something. Do I recommend it? Yes, it's great for slick down ponytails. I've tried it with a cream and for a braid out. It's good for that too, just to give it a little bit of extra hold. So I recommend it. TGIN Quench 3-in-1 Co-Wash Conditioner and Detangler. Would I repurchase this? I doubt it. Why? Because I've had it for a long time and I just finished it up. So it's not like I was in a rush to use it, or I was like, ooh, let me go back to it. So I don't think I will repurchase it. No, I don't think I would, because I'm trying to think, because I have a co-wash that I already just really love. I don't use rinse out conditioners, and then I already have a pre-poo detangler that I love. So I would not repurchase this. But if you're looking for something that's a 3-in-1 that's like really quick to just slap on your head and use it, go for it, because just might save you some time for wash day, so go ahead. Next thing is ALOT of Body. ALOT of Body with coconut and shea oils. Their Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. This is amazing. This will forever be in my stash. This I highly recommend. It's moisturizing, great hold. I would use this for like if I had a failed wash and go, and in the middle of the week, because it's a wash and go that'll probably last like 2 days or whatever, I'll put this on top of what's already in my hair, do a braid out. You'd have made it for the rest of the week. Like I said, I definitely recommend this. I will always repurchase this. This will forever be in my stash, and you should try it too if you have not. Next product is I'm sorry, I don't want to make that face, but next product is the Curly Bell Banana Nut and Avocado Deep Treatment. I saw this on Sally's website, and I was like, oh, this looks interesting. I've never heard of it. I've never seen it. I've never seen anyone use it. So I bought it, and I do not like this stuff. It did absolutely nothing for my hair. Nothing. And I'm gonna show you the bottom, but it's not really the product's fault.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
It's because it's been sitting and I should have been threw it away. And then I had also added some oil into it just so I could try and get a little bit more slip, but that still didn't work. So, I shook it up and there you go. So the ingredients had settled, and it says it has banana nut and avocado, but this did not do anything for me or my hair, and I tried it as a deep treatment like it claims to be. So then I also tried it as a pre-poo. No, it didn't do nothing, like no kind of slip, nothing at all. So I would not repurchase this, and I would not recommend this. Next is the Nature's Little Secret Fenugreek Detangling Pre-Poo infused with fenugreek. Now, if you saw my Xtreme natural hair product haul, this was in it. But at the time of the video, it was an empty already. So that's how much I really enjoyed this, and putting it with that apple cider vinegar, the rinse that I do on my hair, mixed with this I love it. It's bomb. But will I repurchase this? I would. If I'm feeling fancy and I want to take a break from my curl piece, yeah, I would. I would recommend you purchase it as well. Let's see. It has really good ingredients in it. It has the fenugreek, it has Irish moss, aloe vera, sweet almond oil, raw blue agave. So it has really good ingredients in it. So I would definitely recommend this. Next is the African Pride Moisture Miracle Aloe and Coconut Water Detangle and Condition Pre-Poo. Will I repurchase this? No. I know a lot of people rant and rave about it and they love it oh so much, but to me it doesn't give me the slip that the curl piece gives. It's okay, it's cool, it's decent, it got the job done or whatever, but I wouldn't repurchase this. I'll choose the curl piece every time. Next is the Main Choice Tropical Moringa Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Mask. This is really good. I like it. I hate that the container is so small, but I really do like this. It's very moisturizing. It long-lasting moisture, like it says, endless moisture. It does that. it does what it claims to do. Okay, it's really thick, and I can deep condition my hair while my hair is wet. It has really good slip for me. I would definitely recommend it. I will let you know that it is expensive. It's like $20 for this 8 ounces, so catch you a good old sale and you in that thing. So yes, I will always, well, I ain't gonna say I will always repurchase this, because their peach black tea, that mask to me is better than this one, and it's better than this one. You get more ounces, and I don't think it's as expensive, so you can try it. It's decent. Next is, I'm not sure why I only have one of these, but the Honey's Handmade Sea Moss and Bamboo Healthy Hair Growth Mask. I have a lot more of these. Will I repurchase this? No, because
even giving what y'all said it was supposed to give. No, I wasted my money. So send me my money back now.
it didn't really do a lot for my hair, and I love me a Honey's Handmade mask, but this one, it missed it for me. Like, it missed it. It didn't have the moisture that I'm used to with Honey's Handmade, so no, I would not repurchase this, and I would not recommend this. Then the next is, let's see, Honey's Handmade Hawaiian Red Salt Balancing Deep Conditioner. I don't really remember if I like these or not.
That's suspicious.
Yeah, it's fine.
That's weird.
Sorry about that. I remember that smell, but I don't think I really care for this one either. I have 2 more of these in my stash, so I'll use them and then I'll get back to you in 6 months and I'll let you know if I like it or not. Next is the Myell Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil infused with biotin and encourages growth. Now, as you saw in my last empties, I love this oil. I would definitely recommend this oil. So if you're in the market for a oil for your scalp, you should try this. It's good. And lastly is the Main Choice Cheers Gelato. I will forever repurchase this. I will forever recommend this. Use it for your edges, use it for a wash and go, use it for a twist out, use it for a braid out, but just don't use it for a slick back ponytail like this, because it didn't work too good for me. But anything else, I would definitely recommend it. It gives great hold, great shine. It's amazing. So if you haven't tried it already, you should try it. That concludes this video. We made it through another empty. So we made it. That is my first half of 2021 empties, and that just sounds weird saying that in itself. We have made it halfway through 2021. That's crazy, especially considering Panera Bread was last year. That is very crazy. But we are here. We made it. Shout out to you. Shout out to us. So, if you want to be my friend, because I want to be your friend too, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!